everyone, welcome to my channel Durga Tarot, and I am your tarot reader Vaishali Sharma. So message for today is okay. It's all about your relationships and the dynamic between your relationship. Okay, so here is a lot of chaos, and some people are not ready to take the accountability for their actions or responsibilities for whatever they have done in the past. Okay, so what's happening here is, see, you are at that point of your life where you want to just cut things out from your system that are not serving you. You think that it's like the problems you are facing is now it has become a constant loop, and nothing is ever changing, and everything is now has become a total mess and like a maze that you can never come out of. Why? Not because that you are a careless person, but because instead of doing all the right things, people are not valuing it, and they are constantly blaming you, or the they are just playing blaming everything around them. Everything means you are just surrounded by so ungrateful people that you have given them so much of your love, so much of your support, everything, your creativity, your love, your support, and also your emotions. You have kept yourself, your personal emotions you have kept aside, and you have nurtured these people on the emotional level also. You always made sure they always feel comfortable, and they never feel frustrated or anything wrong is happening, or you always looked after their feelings. You never did anything that can hurt them. Okay, still these people are not valuing it. So what you are thinking now is that only escapism from this situation is the money. If you make enough money so that you can fix your situation, that is what you are thinking in this current relationship. Okay, so what here universe is telling you to see, yes, you have been hurt, you have been cheated, and you have been not treated well in your relationship, or what you deserved was not served to you, be it your financial situation, or your personal self-worth, or you were not respected in the relationship, and also I can see here you were not given your fair share in the finances also. This can be family dynamic, I can see it can be family dynamic or personal relationship. Maybe you were abused financially also, maybe your share was not given to you, or maybe your share was not used for the right things or right duties. Okay, so now what's happening is, see, this was your past story, this was your past circumstances, or the situation that were created into your life. Now universe is telling you is that your past supports your future, that whatever has happened in your life, it has a strong meaning, it holds a strong like the whatever series of situation that has occurred in your life has shaped your mindset into something, your self esteem into something that is different from the other people. because your situations were different. Okay, so what's happening is now you have to understand these things are pointing you into a direction, because you have something that is far beyond only finances. This is not whatever you has gone through. You think that only it was about finances. No, it was beyond that, because you are someone who always focuses on the positive aspects of the life, and also you keep things light, on the lighter side. You don't see, if you are hurt or if you are sad or if you have failed sometimes, you never take it personally, or you don't hold it for a longer time. You transform it into humor or in laughter. So universe is asking you to keep doing that. Never lose your happiness, never lose this quality of yours. The humor side is very very important in your life. Okay, this will take you far away from all the situation. And what you are seeing here, whatever loss you have endured in this relationship, will, or everything will be fulfilled. You have to let go of whatever the share was not given to you. Just let go of it. Just think as if that you have given it to charity, or it was never meant for you. Then see how you can shape your future by the past mistakes that you have learned. Or you have to see from the higher perspective that why all these things has happened into your life, because something is there that you need to change in your life, or in your surrounding, or in your colony. Maybe you are somewhere in the spotlight. Maybe people look up to you, or people follow you, or people follow your story. Or maybe you belong to a very large family or a joint family, where everything you think or everything you do has is being copied by the people, or it's like they think that you will do everything that you do, you will be, it will have the background of that action. Your actions will always be backed up by a good thought. This is what people think. So it's high time you have to let go of things. See, cards are asking you to, you have to leave things behind. Maybe it might be very precious to you. You think that this is what represents you. Maybe you think your family represents you, or you think that this money represents you. Money is important, or something in the current situation where you think is very important, or you think that that is the only solid ground that you have. If you are thinking about something is there in you where you think that is the only solid ground that you have to leave that behind, because it will never, it is not meant for you. Okay, first of all understand, you can get nothing from this relationship. You can get nothing from these people. No matter how much you try, no matter how much you transform, no matter how much you give them goodwill, how much love you give them, how much humor you give them, nothing will be returned to you, not even the bare minimum respect. Okay, so what you need to understand is you have to make those changes, safe changes. You have to build that safety net for yourself, because you can't rely on these people or whatever has happened in the past, because it will never it for see, for making your future secured, you have to take your personal actions. You have to make your own safety net. Don't rely on these people. Don't rely on these 6 7 peoples or 7 8 peoples. Don't rely on these like their support system, or if you are somewhere holding, if you think that they will support you financially, if because here is the money thing is very important in these relationship, I can clearly see. If there is any family wealth or anything you think that they will give you any kind of financial support in your dire need, so please don't be deluded by this thought, because you won't get any financial support. So what you have to do is you have to keep working on your own net, so that you can make a secured future. And also, if you will work, see again, yes, if you will work in creating your own world, in making your own safety net and own world, you will be supported 100%. Universe will support you most definitely. And if you are worried about any kind of financial thing, that whether you will be given the money that you deserve, or whether you will get the job, or whether you will be hired or not hired or not, or maybe your business will go escalate or not escalate, if these are some kind of doubtful thought regarding your finances, so you have to leave those doubt behind and keep a light mind in your finances also, and have faith in universe and in Lord Krishna, that he will take care of your finances, all finances. Okay. And if you have laughing Buddha in your home, he has a special message for you. He loves you and he has a full bag of abundance for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Just keep laughing, keep stay happy. Okay. And all the, you are thinking that your path is difficult, or maybe something which you are doing, you think it is unrealistic approach to life. If you think that your, means sometimes what happening with you is your logical mind is like pulling you back, and telling you that no, it will not happen. So here you have to understand, if you think it will not work out, so here a full confirmation is coming out. No matter how much the difficult ground you have right now, maybe you don't have a proper like place or thing where you can like, you don't have a solid stability basically, but you have to think, no matter how narrow your land is, you will create your world onto that only, because all that skill and talent you hold in yourself. Whatever you are doing, you will do so good, so good, that it will give you all the harvest of your good deeds. So don't worry about anything, just keep doing your work and keep praying. Praying helps a lot. And other than that, you can book personal tarot reading, Havan and Mala Jap services from my channel. These spiritual services give you extra support. It kind of like harness which give you spiritual protection and other benefits. So you can contact me by the WhatsApp number which is given in the description box.